Okay, so good evening everyone. Today we are going to discuss one very important topic. What was the trend in geology in 2024 and what we are expecting in 2025? It means our motto is very clear, that how to score good marks in geology. So, I am Dr. Pawan Agrawal, a faculty of geology at Sri Chaitanya Gosala campus. You know, Sri Chaitanya Gosala is the best campus. Every year we are producing thousands of doctors. So, our long term, our first year, second year courses are going to start. They are going to start in full force. Our long term course is running by the name of Vaidya. So, now today we are going to discuss one very important point, that what was the trend of questions in geology 2024. So, this is the authentic paper that I have taken from Sri Chaitanya Educational Institute, that is written, Infinity Learn is there. So, we are going to discuss, before discussing the paper and saying the trend, I think you know what are the different topics in geology. So, the geology for NEET exam starts with the animal kingdom. It is including so many phylums. It started from what you have to discuss in animal kingdom. First one, that is the fundamentals of classification, Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminth, Eschhelminth are nematodes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. This is the base, that is the first topic. The second topic, that is animal tissue. In animal tissue, I think it is known by you that there are 4 tissues: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. This is the second one. Third one, that is the structural organization in animals. And the animal that you have to discuss, that is the cockroach. So, before going ahead, I will say how many questions came from animal kingdom? 4. How many questions came from animal tissue? 2. How many questions came from animal that cockroach? 2. And after it, in the first year NCERT, what you have to discuss? You have to discuss about the human physiology. In human physiology, basically there are how many chapters? I will say, first chapter, digestion, absorption, breathing and exchange of gases, then body fluid and circulation, nitrogenous base elimination, locomotion movement, then neural control, chemical coordination. 7. But in NEET 2024, they deleted one chapter. What the chapter deleted? That is the digestive system. So, total how many chapters remaining? 6. So, if I will say how many chapters we have to read in geology in the first year. In first year, as per NCERT, animal kingdom, animal tissue, cockroach, respiratory system, circulatory system, then excretory system, locomotion movement, neural control coordination, and what is the next one I said? That is the endocrine system. Total 9 chapters we have to discuss in first year. So, I will say how many questions came from human physiology? Approximately 11 to 12. This year 11 confirm and 1, that is the mixed question came. So, if I will say 20 questions came directly from this year from NCERT. So, I will say this year what was the trend? This year they have given all the 50 questions in geology from NCERT. It means from 2016, from when the NEET started, and from last few years when NTA started to take the NEET exam, they are focusing mainly on NCERT. So, if you want to score good marks, honestly, in geology, you have to focus only one book, that is NCERT plus. You have to solve variety of questions. Variety of questions means previously what was the trend? Previously they were asking, like if I will show you one question, see towards one question. See towards one question, I am going to say you one question. Yes. Okay, just coming on one question related with animal kingdom. So you will find out what is the previous trend and what is the upcoming trend. Okay, so coming on that question, question number 172 is there. So I will come on that question. 1 minute only, you have to wait. Yes. Yes, coming on. This is 172. After it 176. So coming on this question 176. Yes, I am just keeping this question and just trying to enlarge it. So you are able to see the question. The question is match list 1 with list 2. So what is the difference in previous years, last year and this year? This year the size of the question is bigger and bigger. Just see, if I will say they said, what they said? They said pleurobrachia, radula, stomachord, ear bladder. They have given the list 1 and they said to match with the list 2. So everyone knows, like if I will start this question, everyone knows that radula is a structure which is present in the mollusca. Radula, rasping organ that is present in the mollusca. Are you getting? Radula, that is the rasping organ present in the mollusca. Stomachord is a structure which is present in the hemichordata. Ear bladder is a structure, ear bladder or swim bladder, that is related with the osteothecs. And pleurobrachia is included in the ctenophora. So this is one. Previous time they can ask this question in many ways. Like they can ask which of the following is matched, which of the following is unmatched. Or just here see, in this question how many phylums are included? They included 4 phylum. One phylum ctenophora, then they included mollusca, second phylum, then they included hemichordata, and after it they included chordata. It means in place of asking the simple question from one phylum, they mixed how many phylums? 4 phylums. One question is asking your knowledge about 4 phylum. Have you seen? Try to get the point. It means you have to read all these 4 phylums carefully, all the lines. Then only you are able to give the answer. So this is the change from previous years. In previous years, maybe they were asking only, match the column only in one phylum animals. But here, they have just one question that is given here, that is including the knowledge of 4 phylum. It means you have to read all the phylums carefully. So again, the work is not done. See towards here. Again, the work is not done. Now you have to match. So how to match very fast? Where you are 100% confident. So if I will say radula is a structure which is present in the mollusca. B is 1. It is 100% known by me. Okay, so where I will go? B is 1. Are you getting? So what you have to do? You have to do the smart work. Smart work at the time of study also. Smart work at the time of solving the question also. I said now, like being a student, it was known by me that radula is present in mollusca. Means B is 1. It is known by me. So I will see, only in one option B is 1. It means what is the answer? 4. In place of wasting the time in reading all the 4 options, I just I just decreases the time to respond, that is 1 by 4. Are you getting? So this is the way to solve the question I said, and this is the way how you can increase the marks. So this is the one trend. In place of asking one type of phylum, they are asking different questions. Now I will show you another example. Come on, another thing. Wait for animal kingdom, another thing. Okay. Now see. Here also what they did. Again the paper setter is very clever. Paper setter makes so many fishes. Try to see. He just taken so many fishes. Okay, just see. So many fishes given in one example. So many fishes he has given in one example. Like say me, Pistis is known as. Anyone will say Pistis is known as. Pistis is known as the sawfish. Pistis is known as the sawfish. Pistis, that is known as the sawfish. Known by us Pistis, that is known as the sawfish. It is having one apparatus, jaw apparatus, that is looking like the cutting machine. So it is the sawfish. Exocetus, it is known as the flying fish. Exocetus is the flying fish. Mixing, that is known as the hagfish. And pterophyllum, that is known as the angelfish. Pterophyllum, if you are remembering, pterophyllum is the aquarium fish. So just see, have you seen? First of all, they focused. First of all, in one question we have seen they focused on the structure, a specific structure which is present in a specific phylum. And here they framed one question based on the example. So in animal kingdom, what you have to do, you have to read all the lines which are written in NCERT one by one. Students are thinking that I will read extra. NCERT is enough. If you are able to read the NCERT completely, then if I will say in NCERT minimum 135 examples are given. A minimum 100 examples of animals are given. What are you thinking? It is less number? You have to run the number, we have to learn the example, 100 examples along with their common name and scientific name. So it is a wrong concept in students that we have to read extra. Already in NCERT, 100 examples are there. If you are not focusing on these 100 examples, and in place of these 100 examples, you are trying to learn 20 examples which are not in NCERT. Who will say your work is smart? So at Sri Chaitanya, we are focusing on NCERT plus some additional which is required, but not so much. First, you have to focus on NCERT, then you have to discuss some extra. Are you getting? So here, I already said more than 100 examples given in NCERT. More than 100 examples given in NCERT. So why to learn the examples which are not in NCERT? Say me, they are not coming in NEET. I have shown you two questions totally based on NCERT. Clear? So just what is A here? If I will say here I am comfortable, if I will say I am comfortable, Exocetus is known as the flying fish. So I am going to match. Exocetus is known as the flying fish. D is 4. So D is the 4 in 3 option. This option gone. Okay. Now Pistis is known as the sawfish. C is 2. So C is 2 given here. How much energy I saved? 50%. In first question I saved 75% energy. In this question I saved 50% energy. Because if I will try to match all 4, it is 100% energy. I got the answer only by matching 2. So this is the smarter way to solve the question in minimum time. And have you seen the questions are coming from NCERT. So if you are able to read NCERT line to line, verbatim to NCERT, no one can stop your selection. throughout the years, students are getting confused. Sir, you are saying that paper will come from NCERT. If it will come from other, why it will come from other? NTA is taking the exam. Now, NTA is an authentic organization. National Testing Agency is an authentic organization. It is not a local organization. It is making the paper by keeping all the students across India. So there is a common book now, that is the NCERT. Like if you are studying at Sri Chaitanya or if you are studying at Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, you will read Telugu Academy books. If you will go to Maharashtra, you will read the state Maharashtra level book. If you will go to Madhya Pradesh, there are state level books. But there is only one book which is recognized at national level now. So why they are asking the question from NCERT? Because it is recognized at national level. So at Sri Chaitanya, we are focusing mainly on NCERT because it is the key of success. NCERT for students, those who are going to write the NEET exam, NCERT is the Bible, NCERT is the Gita, Quran, whatever you want to say, it is the book. Very important book. Very important book. Okay. So this is the second question. I said which can. Now, coming on the next question, just try to see. This is one question that is first variety I showed. That is the match the column type of question. Second variety of question, this is the statement type of question. And in this statement type of question, they have given like the following are the statement about non-chordates. Non-chordates. So if they are saying about the non-chordates, so I will say pharynx is perforated by gill slits. This is the character of chordata. Correct? Pharynx is perforated by gill slits. It is the character of chordates. And they are asking about non-chordates. Notochord is absent. Yes. Central nervous system is dorsal. Central nervous system is dorsal. In non-chordates, the central nervous system is ventral. So this gone. Heart is dorsal if present. Yes, in chordates the heart is present on ventral side. So in non-chordates the heart is present on dorsal side. Post-anal tail is absent. Yes, post-anal tail is present in chordates and it is absent in non-chordates. So have you seen? I am not here to explain the question. I am here to say the variety of question. See, in this question, they collected so many phylum. This is gill slits, this is notochord, this is central nervous system, about the heart, about the post-anal tail. So how many are correct related with the non-chordates? Easily you will get the answer. I take by the blue color. B, D and E. And these all are given in NCERT in one column, differences between chordates and non-chordates. So I think you are getting the type of question. First variety of question that you have to focus, that is match the column type of question. Second variety of question that you have to focus, that is statement type of question. Here examiner has taken 4, 5. Maybe in the next year they will ask the 6th statement in one question. It means what you have to do, you have to speed up. Now it's a game of intelligence and speed. You have to run like Messi and you have to work like Messi to convert your efforts into the goal. Then only you will get the success. By running very fast, you will not get the success. You have to convert your efforts in the success. Are you getting it? So this is the one question that I said, it is based on knowledge. Now I am coming on one more question related with the animal kingdom. Why I selected the animal kingdom? Because it is known by. See, this is the one question that I am going to discuss with you related with the animal kingdom. Wait for 1 minute only. Already I said 176. There is one question I am remembering, 172. Yes. See, this is one question which is based on fundamentals. One question which is based on the fundamentals. Are you remembering in NCERT, very first they have given coulomb, they have given notochord, they have given symmetry, they have given label of organization. So it is based on fundamental. I will say how to solve this type of question. See, annelids are true coelomates. Say me, anyone will say they are the true coelomates. Yes, they are the true coelomates. Poriferans are pseudo coelomate. No. Escalmins are acoelomate. No, they are the pseudo coelomate. So when you are solving the question, at the same time you have to write like this. Poriferans are acoelomates. No. Platyhelminths are pseudo coelomate. No, they are the acoelomate. Okay. So they said that how many are correct? There is only one correct. That annelids are coelomates. So first variety of question, that is the match the column type of question. Don't expect you will get the example of only one phylum. You will get the example of many phylums, they will mix. Second type of question that you have to remember, that is the statement type of question. This year I have observed one good thing. It means paper is lengthier. It means they have given the statement and again they ask how many correct, how many incorrect. Like I have shown you one question there, that they ask in that question they ask that first they have given and after it they have given that one. How to match. Third variety of question I will say. The third variety of question that is based on the diagram. See, third variety of question that is based on the diagram. You have to see all the diagrams which are given in NCERT carefully. Just see. I will show you one question. I am remembering one question came from animal tissue that is based on the diagram. So wait. That is the one question they have given related with the diagram which is given in NCERT. Exact question related with animal tissue. Yes, just see. This is one question which is based on the PBR, plasmid, PBR 322, exact diagram of NCERT. So they can ask this type of question. Again, I will show you one more question. See this question. This question from animal tissue, that question from different topic. Just see this question. Here in this question, they have shown about the three different types of muscles. Easily you can identify these are the cardiac muscles, branched, interconnected. These are taper at end, so they are the smooth muscle, and they are striated muscle. Are you getting? So what the variety of question I said? Third variety of question, that is diagram based question. Two questions I have shown you, two questions based on diagram. It means now you have to develop the practice how to read the diagram. In NCERT, very less number of diagrams are given. So in place of drawing and wasting the time in drawing the different diagrams from different book, focus on the diagram which is given in NCERT. You have to read what the diagram is saying, and diagram is related with this ability you have to develop. Our time was different. Our time means teacher was coming in the class, drawing a beautiful diagram, and we were saying how good diagram is done by the sir, and sir is used to sit and we are wasting our half an hour time to draw the diagram. Time gone. Now the diagram is already in the book. You have to see the diagram and where you have to draw in your brain. No profit to draw the diagram in copy and register. Wastage of time. Smart study. You have to draw the diagram in your brain. memory, because ultimately you have to write. Are you getting? So I have shown this one is the variety that you have to remember. Now, 4 type of question that I have seen here. See, this question is based on one particular paragraph given in NCERT. Like if I will say, you have to read, like in class 11th and 12th it is happening now. They are giving some phrase, and after giving the phrase they are asking question based on them. So in this year, if you will read one paragraph of NCERT, they said conducting system of the heart. Heartbeat originated from the sinoatrial node. It is reaching up to the AB node. Then it is going to the AB bundle. Then it is going to the bundle branches. And again it is coming to the Purkinje fiber. So if you are remembering, there is one conducting system of the heart is present. In the conducting system of the heart, if I will say this one is the septa and these are the ventricle here. So this is the SAN. SAN to ABN. It is coming. This is the SAN. What is this? This is the number 1. Number 1 is the SAN. Number 2, if I will say number 2 is the ABN, AB node. Here that is the AB bundle. Number 3. Number 3 is the AB bundle. Then these are the bundle branches, and ultimately the bundle branches are dividing into the Purkinje fiber. This is the number 4. This is the number 5. So what is number 1? SAN. So you have to start E. E. This is E. Okay. Then what is this? This is the C, B, E and C. So just see, E and C, you saved 60% time. There is no option in which after E there is C. So it is possible when only you are reading the paragraph carefully. It is only when only you are remembering the sequence, then only you are comfortable now. Because paper was lengthy. It has checked your knowledge, smartness, non-bias na, SAN, ABN, AB bundle, bundle branches, Purkinje fibers. Clear? So examiner asked here E, after E what is the C, after C what is A, after A what is D, and after D what is the E, that is the Purkinje fibers P. But if you will start solving that after E, after C, then again A, you are wasting your time. Already you got the answer, and just in place of solving this 60%, focus this in the remaining time. In place of wasting the time in solving the remaining option, focus on this one, whether you are right or wrong. So this is the one more type of question. This is one simple paragraph given in NCERT, conducting system of heart. And in place of writing that paragraph, they frame the question based on this. A, B, C, D, E. They divided the paragraph into 5. They divided the paragraph into 5 and they asked what is the sequence there. Are you getting? So this is the one more type of question that is observed. Okay. They have given some few simple question also, direct statement. So this is the 5th type of question. First type of question I said, match the column. Second type of question I said, statement type of question. Third type of question I said, that is diagram based question. Fourth type of question I said, based on the paragraph. Fifth type of question I said, that is based on the single statement. So this is the another type of question that you have to remember. Now, I am going to say another point. Please see it carefully. Now, here, this is one question number 156. Which of the following is not a steroid hormone? So, if I am not wrong, it is given in the new NCERT, page number 245. First one. Okay. So, you have to remember, when it is possible, when you will read the same book again and again. Today you are solving the MTG. Tomorrow you are solving the KBC. After it you are solving the ABC. And then you have seen that this book is good. My friend is solving that book. Again, Friday next book. Saturday next book. No. All the 7 days you have to read only one book. that is the NCERT, only for different question. And again for question, there is no need to go anywhere. Every week at Sri Chaitanya, we are providing 200 questions in the form of test paper. Getting 50 botany, zoology, chemistry, and that is physics. Every week you are getting 50 new questions in zoology in the form of test. We are having our study material. Our study material is having so many exercises. Exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3. Another book we are providing that is having the PYQs, previous year question. Another book we are providing that is having the assertion region. And teachers are also giving their questions now. So what is the need to go on different books on different days? Better decide like this: on Monday I will solve the exercise 1. On Tuesday I will solve the exercise 2. On Wednesday I will solve the exercise 3. On Thursday I will solve assertion region type of question. On Friday I will solve the questions which are asked by the teacher in the class. Because at Sri Chaitanya we are teaching, but we are also preparing our students for the NEET exam. And NEET exam is not only the theory. NEET exam is to convert your theoretical knowledge in the form of questions. Unless until you will not play with the questions, you are not able to get the marks. Ultimately, you have to convert your knowledge in the form of answers, marks. And at Sri Chaitanya, we are working on the marks. So I said, this is the one type of question. And again, you have to remember another variety of question, that is the assertion region type of question. Don't forget to solve the assertion region type of question. So I said 6-7 type variety of questions that you have to focus. I will say it again. Match the column type of question, statement type of question, assertion region type of question, single statement like question means simple, diagram based question, paragraph question which is framed based on one paragraph, and one tables which are given in NCERT. So I have shown you variety of questions today. So all the best. We will meet soon. We are going to start our batches soon. Already started, going to start from 2nd. So you all are welcome. Join Sri Chaitanya. We are here to support you. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.